Did not started the session, but don't worry, we will start right now. Just give me 1 second. I have to do the session a little quickly. So today I won't be taking up people because I have another meeting at. These Mondays are very hectic. I realized. 1 sec. Cools. We'll just wait. I don't think should we wait for 1 more minute or have people already come. Yeah, Monday not cools, man. Monday is just a little hectic. Little hectic. Did you guys get vaccinated or not? Yeah, some lucky people have got some. Some of us are still refreshing and seeing that red booked icon. So sad. Where are them Doge guys? I heard they had a bad weekend. Sympathies. Doge to the moon. It didn't even go out of orbit. इधर ही अपना गुजरात तक जाके गिर गया. It's okay, but for all the people who've got it and they're stressing too much about it, I think you can just keep it for a long period of time. It will eventually go up and you will recover once, right? Maybe he'll do one more news about one more tweet and maybe it might help. But just wait for it. Okay, so what has been happening in the news today? Oh my god, what is this weird company? Okay, what has been happening in the news today? By the way, the market has gone up today also. So it's gone up, what, 4 times in a row? Almost 4 times in a row. It's not bad at all. Let us see how our small case is doing. 1 sec. देखना पड़ता है. Some people get angry or else. 1 second, I have to put my code. Yeah, can you hear me now? Yeah, it's not falling, it is consolidating. Okay, so for all the people who are saying it is falling, it is not falling, it is consolidating. Why is it consolidating? Because बहुत ऊपर भाग गया था. Literally, it had gone up too fast, too much too fast, and it is good. So you should be okay with a stock that goes up 20-25% and comes down 5%. That's fine. That means your net to net 15% profit. So optimize in that way. If you look at the small case, it's still sitting at currently 21%, 21 to 25%. Okay, good returns. Not bad. Not bad at all. The 5000 small case also has a total return of 8.45%. The 1000 small case is doing well, 10% pe aa gaya. Small case is in profit only. So tension mat lo. If it's falling, it's not falling because of some fundamental issue. By the way, if you guys have looked at their result, it is a beautiful result. Beautiful result. So be very happy about it that the result is good. It is a very beautiful result. It is going to go up. Now it is just consolidating. It's taking its own time. It's like, you know what, thoda मैं chill करता हूँ इन लोग बहुत, you know, they should not be, you guys should not think that it's like the TCS, right, only going up all the time. So it's giving some jerks in the middle. It's saying that I'm not that good also, etc., etc., and then it suddenly will go up. Don't worry, it always consolidates like this, and थोड़ा टाइम के बाद कंसोलिडेशन के बाद वापस ऊपर जाएगा. So just keep it for a long period of time. People are predicting in the market that Deepak should hit 3000 by end of year. Okay, people are saying it should hit 3,000 by end of year. So that is what a lot of people in the industry are predicting. Again, we don't know whether that will happen or not. We have to just hope and pray that it does. But if you are tracking the stock very closely, then you will see a lot of things that are happening. Oh, by the way, my full weekend, like that weekend, I was just listening to the investor con call of Deepak Nitrate on Trendline. Okay, on YouTube itself, there is this video. Just listen to them. Okay, it's beautiful. Um, Edelweiss also came out with their brokerage report on April 26th. Oh, that was before the result came out. Okay, we want the Edelweiss report after. But yeah, have a look at it. It's good. Okay, it's there on Trendline's YouTube channel. You can go check it out. No issues. Okay, so what's been happening in the market? Market's gone up again today. It's up by 295 points. Sensex is at 49,500. Okay, still 500 less to 50,000, which is at historical landmark, but aa jayega, don't worry, it will reach 50,000. Nifty Bank also went up to by 237 points. It's around now 33,142. That is good. So the market has been okay. Now listen to this. Market has gone up what now? 4 days in a row. Are you guys happy? 4 days in a row, man. I mean, it's you get up and it's green, you get up and it's green, and you get up and it's green, right? But do we have to be too concerned about whether it's going up all the time? Because this is not how it's supposed to be. That means a small correction will come in the entire market only. Correct? Chances are there. A small correction can come in the market. If it comes, it's okay. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It is highly okay. It is possible. As I told you, right? It's okay if the market goes up 15% and falls 7%. It is still fine because overall it has gone up. So you should always see what is the overall gain that is happening. So thoda idhar udhar, it is completely fine. Now, 13 companies have okay, by the way, do you guys know that in movies they have this 100 crore club, 200 crore? You guys know this? अभी सेंसेक्स में भी आ गया ऐसा clubs. The club is called 1 lakh crore market cap, not 100 200 what small amounts these guys don't talk in Sensex, right? The amount is 1 lakh crore market cap companies have entered the club. Now 13 companies have entered this 1 lakh crore market cap, right? These small 100 crores they don't even look at, right? Adani Total Gas, which has gone up almost three times since December 31st, 2020. From 200 from 374, it's gone up to 1300. Okay, so Adani Gas has gone up three times. In fact, Adani's literally every stock has gone up. It's not only Adani Gas, but everything. Why it has gone up? Very good question. I don't have the answer to that. I only know that the debt has gone up. So Adani Total Gas has come inside the new 1 lakh crore club. Adani Enterprises also said, तू क्यों जा रहा है मैं भी आऊंगा. Even Adani Enterprises also entered the 1 lakh crore club. And then obviously if you look behind, Adani Transmission also has now entered the 1 lakh crore club. Even they have come. I mean, they should just not call it 1 lakh crore club. They should just call it Adani Club, right? Because all his three companies of his three listed companies of Adani has reached the 1 lakh crore club, literally. Okay, then we have JSW Steel that has reached 1 lakh crore club. Why has it reached? Because what is rallying right now? Why is Tata Steel? If you look at Tata Steel, if you look at JSW Steel, the commodity sector and the steel sector and the metal sector is currently rallying. So JSW Steel has come up and reached and come inside the 1 lakh crore club. Tata Steel is also in the 1 lakh. I mean, they are well above 1 lakh. They're at 1.5 almost. Tata Steel. They're also there. Vedanta is a new entrant. Okay, Vedanta has also entered this year. Earlier they were at 60,000 market cap, 60,000 crore market cap. Now they have reached 1 lakh crore market cap. So Vedanta is the new one that has entered. Tata Motors aa chuka hai. Okay, Tata Motors has also arrived. Guys, please remind me when it's almost 5 p.m. Okay. Tata Motors is also entered. It has also entered the 1 lakh crore market cap club. Then one more Adani company, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, has also come into the 1 lakh 50,000 crore market cap company. So literally Adani ka char to aa chuka hai. Any more left? Let's see. Shree Cement has entered the 1 lakh crore. Okay, Shree Cement, very big company. Power Grid has entered 1 lakh crore. Bajaj Autos, SBI Life Insurance, NTPC have entered the 1 lakh crore company. Wow. A total of 42 BSC companies have a market cap of 1 lakh crore. No, now I feel it's not a very exclusive club. 42 people are already there. Now I'm looking at 2 3 lakh market cap companies. If you look at our stocks also, like if you look at Deepak is at what? 25,000 market cap, 25,000 crore. Matlab, it should only go up 4 times for it to enter the 1 lakh crore mark. Bas, is 4 times in like 5 years. Hona chahiye. Let's see. Again, over prediction and stupid prediction actually, but let's see. If it happens, it happens. Who cares? We have to just wait. We don't have any other option. I'm not running the company, so he's running the company. It's not me. Two-wheeler companies are making a massive capital expenditure investment of 2,000 crores with multiple launches in pipeline. So all the two-wheeler companies, the entire industry is doing a massive manufacturing influx of 2,000 crores. Now, I realized one more thing when I was hearing the transcript of Deepak Nitrate's conference call. Even they want to put in a lot of capex plans. Capex plan basically means putting money from their company to grow their manufacturing unit, or to grow more of their company. Now, what they're saying is, because of lockdown, I am not able to build my manufacturing plant faster, because now the people who have to come and build this plant will not come and build it because of the lockdown. So, apart from the businesses getting anyway affected, the future business is also getting affected. Future business is also, that is very important to understand. Future business is also getting affected. Now, that is very important for you guys to understand, because there are going to be some bad quarters coming up very soon. Apart from that, Saurav Ganguly came and said IPL won't be played in India. Genius. I think that should have been the move on day one. But I'm most likely sure that they might be going to Dubai. I mean, they pulled off half the event in India itself. It's like playing with death, right? Crazy that was. China iron ore and steel prices hit record as supply worries prompt speculative buying. Lot of people, I mean, obviously the steel price is going up. We are seeing that in India also, but because the demand is so high and people are predicting supply nahi hoga, and it is good. I'm so happy if there's no supply, because if there's no supply and demand is there, then it is going to go up. The steel prices are going to go up. If steel prices go up, then you guys need to start some steel products like Tata Steel or JSW Steel. Tata Steel better. Sale, if you look at sale, you should see how high sale has gone as well. Insane. Okay. Now, mm, yeah. So if Tata Steel MD was also saying that the if oxygen ban continues for more than a month, the user industries will be hurt. Like the people will be hurt because everything will be muted and it's going to take some time. IMDb or 1MDB. Do you guys know IMDb, 1MDB? We all look at it to see, what is the rating, and none of us will actually go give reviews because we're too cool for that. But we will just go and see how what the rating is, to figure out whether a movie is good or bad. And then we always say, nahi, IMDb ka rating to, it's not IMDb, it's 1MDB. But a lot of people would be like, what, rating is 5.5, but मेरे को लग रहा है अच्छा होगा. So they think it's good, but then it'll be a horrible. So 1MDB, okay, sues JP Morgan Deutsche Bank. Wait, wait. Okay, this is not 1MDB. Oh, this is not that. Oh, this is something else. Sorry. This is not, what do you call it? This is not IMDb. That's what I'm saying. Why is IMDb as 1MDB? Okay, no. So 1MDB is basically One Malaysia Development Berhad. Okay. I think it's something to do with the Malaysian development government. I have no idea. But either which way, they have just sued JP Morgan for 23 billion in JP Morgan and Deutsche Bank in a $23 billion fraud case. $23 billion fraud case. Okay, I think this was a quite an old thing that is just coming up right now. It's been there from quite a bit, and a lot of people, including the prime minister, were involved in this. If I'm not wrong, it's coming back now, and the document. So that's going to be interesting, because the Malaysian government will take on big problem, right? If there's a $23 billion scam coming out of Malaysian government, so it would be a good time to see what Malaysia is best in exporting. And if Malaysia is like the number one in, say, exporting rice, and if the Malaysian government is hit by this massive $23 billion fine, then suddenly what is going to happen? Suddenly India will become the next big hub, and all the companies in India will go up. Same like how China had a problem and then India capitalized on it. India is amazing at capitalizing things, right? So China had a problem with that. India came in and said, you know what, we have full manufacturing. Kitna chahiye bolo. We have all the, different pharmaceutical companies also. Anything you want, we will do contract manufacturing. We will do anything you want. Please let us know. So India took an amazing opportunity at that point, and it worked for India. Snapdeal has launched Sanjeevani app to connect COVID patients with potential plasma donors. I think this was important because plasma donors, see, everyone's running for bed, ICU wards, oxygen, and plasma also is something that is very important that we have noticed recently. So, Sanjeevani was first launched to help employees of Snapdeal find possible donors. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. I didn't even know they were still existent like properly. Uh, Ethereum is doing, if you look at the, what do you call it? If you look at your crypto news, Ethereum has breached $4,000. Ethereum has reached $4,000. Okay, it is a landmark. Okay, it is a beautiful landmark. In fact, Bitcoin is not going up, but Ethereum is just rallying, rallying, rallying. So it's damn good. I'm so happy that Ethereum is going up. Very nice. But again, Ethereum has a lot of use cases, so that's why it's also going up. Benefit of NFTX, yeah, a lot of things. But Ethereum is also fundamentally good, man. It's very nice. So it is good. Steel stocks, I would say, slightly stay away right now. Not stay away, but a lot of people are saying that it has gone up a bit too much also now. कि कुछ ज़्यादा ही rally हो गया. मतलब I understand that you're all happy that steel is going up, but I think the steel prices have gone up slightly a bit higher. So people are saying wait for a small correction. In fact, the whole, yeah, you can hold. See, if you've bought Tata Steel, or if you've bought something right now, it is very good. If you bought it before this rise, I'll tell you why. Because it would have gone up by 25-30%. Even if it corrects, it won't correct 25%. It'll correct only 10%, so you're still at a 15% gain. But if you're planning to buy now, like fresh buying, I would say slightly wait. If you bought it before, then good, no issues at all. Okay. Ola partners with Give India to give free oxygen concentrators. Grow app is looking. Oh, what is this? Grow app is looking to expand its offerings. What is it expanding? Oh, ETFs. Okay. No, it's there actually. Almost everything's the same, right? Unless they're doing something new that even I don't know. But I think, oh yeah, I know for a fact that they're doing US based stocks. So that is, yeah, they need to do F&O as well. I think they might come with that. But good, it's okay. You keep seeing my videos on Grow. Everyone should be happy. Um, Again, oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. Where is the finance news? Paytm payment gateway waives off transaction fees on COVID relief donations. Why did they even have transaction fees for donations? Paytm payment gateway just waived off the transaction fees on all COVID related relief donations. I mean, okay, no comments. IOC, BPCL, HPCL, all the shares gain because the fuel price has increased. Today, I just found out something else, little off topic on the cryptocurrency element as well, because I was just doing a session yesterday on cryptocurrency, and we spoke how I was talking about how expensive this fees is, right? With the withdrawal fees is huge. It's insanely expensive. But I didn't know. I forgot. This is a very old news, but I just realized that Binance had bought WazirX a long time ago. So WazirX is actually Binance's company. So you can actually transfer from WazirX to maybe Binance and then withdraw from Binance, because it's quite cheap to withdraw from Binance than withdrawing from WazirX. I'm talking about withdrawing your Ethereum into your own wallet. I'm talking about. I'm not talking about other things. I'm not talking about INR withdrawal. I'm talking about crypto withdrawal itself. So Ethereum's market cap is at $450 billion. Wow, it's so cool. It is still 50% less than, almost three half less than Bitcoin. I don't know whether it'll beat Bitcoin, but it's half less than Bitcoin. So let's see. Mm, what else? What else? What else? Should have 7 minutes. It's like some race against time. Apparently, a lot of Q4 performance of most companies was slightly bad, including banks. It wasn't that good. Hmm. Just checking if there's anything else that is interesting or if I have time to take up one person and talk. Nothing else. Virat Kohli receives first dose of COVID-19 vaccine. Very important news. Uh, I heard Bharat Biotech is commences direct supply of Covaxin to 14 states. So Bharat Biotech is now increasing the Covaxin. They actually announced that they're cutting the price. Remember that it was 400 per dose from the 600 per dose, but now they're giving it directly to states, which is very good. I hope they deliver some here also. I just want to be safe. I just want to take it and just not worry too much about it. Ah, look at this. Very nice news. Kishore Biani's Big Bazaar set to launch a marketing blitzkrieg to take on Amazon. So don't be surprised if you see a lot of ads from Big Bazaar because they are going to do a massive fight against Amazon. I just pray they don't take Ranveer Singh for this because he's literally everywhere and I can't see that. I'm getting too much energy, when you're just tired and you're watching it. You can't take sometimes that energy. It's just too much flying in the air, doing nonsense, singing. So I just hope they take someone else. But they're taking the fight, a beautiful fight, they're taking it to Amazon. So this is something that you might be seeing a lot in the future. Okay, I have 5 minutes. Let me quickly take someone up. Quickly, very quickly. By the way, we have 300 users today, so that's cool. I hope you don't have any lag though. Yeah, good effort by the engineering team, no lag. Okay, quickly, I'm gonna take one guy. Can you please come? I'm just inviting one person at a time. I'm gonna wait 3 minutes. Okay, not coming. Sad. Why invite when you don't want to come and talk to me? Just doesn't make sense. Hmm. I've invited Manjunath, and
Hi,
Manjunath is.
Shashank.
Hi,
Hello.
Manjunath. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, doing good. How are you?
All good. Are you from Bangalore, Manjunath?
Yeah, I'm from Bangalore.
Every time I hear Manjunath, no, I remember Danish Seth's movie, dude. Manjunath.
Okay. So,
Yeah,
just wanted to ask this question like this Mirai Asset FANG ETF, right?
correct.
So, like, which one is good? Like, fund of fund is good or the ETF? Because I have subscribed for the ETF one.
ETF is better. ETF is better. I mean, if
Yeah.
you want to
So,
not focus on a lot of things, gain more over a longer period of time. Because if you're investing in Mirai asset, then it has to be for a long period of time, not for a short period of time.
yeah,
So
I'm keeping for 5 years. So, that's
five
the
years,
plan.
beautiful, bro. Then I think yeah, it's better to keep it in the ETF itself. No issues.
No.
Cool.
Oh, yeah, that's all, Shashank.
Thank you, Manjunath.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, take one more. Hey, Manjunath is back.
Hey, Shashank.
Oh, whoa, what is this deja vu? Hey, man, I like your name and DP. Nice it is.
Thank.
Is your real name Shashank or is it just Shashank because
No, it's for real.
oh real name Shashank? Why you didn't put your DP, dude? Pankaj Tripathi you put. Full Mirzapur vibes. Go
I like
ahead.
him.
Good actor, very good actor.
Question. So my question is, uh, why we go for funds and not go directly to stocks?
Because a lot of people don't understand stocks. A lot of people
But
don't know how
mutual
stock works.
funds, but mutual fund gives more return than stock gives. Sometime they beat the benchmark of stocks. So
No, not necessary. Not necessary. Mutual fund beats the
because they are
benchmark of the index. Okay, mutual fund has to beat the benchmark of index. But stocks is very variable and binary. It depends. If I'm a good stock investor, I'll get more returns. But if I'm a bad stock investor, like an idiot, I invest in companies like Vodafone that are dying, then I won't get good returns. So that's the difference.
Okay, okay.
But
So,
mutual funds are
and
basically, I have to beat the index. Have I beat the index or not? Yes or no? That is what mutual funds figure out.
okay, okay. Thank you, Shashank.
Yeah. Anything else?
Nothing, nothing.
Okay. Little more Josh, okay, next time. Because you're Shashank, no? So I'm giving you some
Okay, okay.
good advice.
Josh, high on Josh.
And high on
Bye,
Josh.
bye.
Okay. Awesome. Bye. Shashank calling Shashank. That's nice. Okay, guys, I have to go now. It's 5 o'clock. Very important meeting. But yeah, fun news, fun segment. Tomorrow I'll meet you again. Tomorrow I have to meet you two times. One at 4:30 p.m. and then one I'm gonna meet you at 8 p.m. and I'm gonna do a live tomorrow. I don't know what's the topic for tomorrow as well because last time was Zomato and it was quite good. A lot of people liked it. That was my first IPO review and a lot of people liked it, so I'm very happy. And sadly, no IPOs only come. Has LIC IPO DRHP come? A lot of people are saying do LIC. I don't think LIC ka DRHP is not come yet. Ka se do dalu then? As if I own LIC to tell you internal facts. But let me see. I'm thinking of what topic to do. I don't want to do Dogecoin and things like that because it's pointless. Tell me something that is good that I can do. Hmm. I can do that. I remember I spoke about it in the last episode where how to read a DRHP. I can do one quick analysis on how to read a DRHP. What about that? Because it's so big and you guys keep thinking how have I got all this information. It's actually not that difficult. It literally takes me 30 minutes to read an entire DRHP because there is so much good information and so much bakwas information. So I will remove the bakwas and only tell you what is good, so quickly you'll finish. Got it? Okay, chalo. See you guys. Bye.